Fear of the new virus found in 2019 is increasing due to its speed and danger. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), the expert body on the deadly virus was discovered in China, has released guidance for general public and healthcare professionals on the symptoms of the virus. A person could be at risk if they have any or all of the following: fever and symptoms of lower respiratory illness, such as coughing or difficulty breathing, after traveling to the reported areas or having close contact with someone who is ill and now is under investigation for the virus in the past 2 weeks. Fever or symptoms of lower respiratory illness after having close contact in the past 2 weeks with someone who has been confirmed to have the virus. The CDC defined close contact as being within about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, or within the room or care area of a person with the virus for a prolonged period without appropriate protective clothing, or having direct contact with the infectious secretion of a person with the virus without protective clothing. The virus is particularly dangerous for people who have weaker immune system, young children and older adults. To protect yourself from the virus, try to avoid contact with people who display symptoms similar to those of pneumonia or the common cold by coughing or runny nose. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water and rub for at least 20 seconds. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer when possible. Avoid animals and animals markets. The only current treatment for the virus being offered is supportive in nature. If you notice any of these symptoms and conditions, please contact your nearest professional healthcare setup. To prevent the spread and fear of the deadly virus, help share this information to everyone.